Good morning, you guys. It's your boy Aries, and we are back again with another live trading. Today, we'll be looking at New York session for a couple different plays. If you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as I do live stream about 3 to 4 times weekly. Okay. But as always, as you guys are new, if you guys are new and you guys are familiar, actually give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Having a dog sometimes can be a little rough. But yeah, let's take a look at fundamentals, as we always do. First thing we always do, right? Gotta know the fundamentals before you can even trade anything, okay? So today is Wednesday, October 23rd. And as far as fundamentals, we have some CAD news at 8:45. USD, FOMC member Bowman speaks at 8 o'clock. Nothing that should harm us anyway. So fundamentals look pretty good, so we can get out of there. And now let's start looking at technicals, okay? Now, I was looking at this play here from GBP USD. We broke my 12 moving average. There is liquidity, which is that 1 hour for value gap. But right now, it looks like it's already a little too late to get into this. But this trade idea was looking about a 1 to 1.18, almost a 1 to 1 basically. That was that trade idea. If it plays out, it plays out. But I'm in no rush to jump into something like that. Recently, I've been looking at trading US 30 and NAS during the session. It just has a lot more liquidity. Before we do that, let me actually send out to my group that we are live. Mm-mm-mm-mm. And also, hope everyone's having a very good trading week. My trading week has been not bad, but not, this has been neutral, I'd say. Mm-mm-mm. Send this out real quick. Okay, there's that. And then post it on Instagram that we are going live. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, so I sent it out to my Instagram and to my Telegram that we're live trading. And all right, sent that out. All right, gold is already. I took a gold trade last night. And if you guys, if I didn't update the account, so we had a nice couple trades yesterday. Took two massive trades, 158, and then basically almost 3.5%, or sorry, 3% on in one trade. And I took another trade which ended up me losing about 1.5. So we came up about 1.5% last night on this account. We're still down $200. So looking to make some decent gains tonight or today. Sorry, depending on what we're going to see today in the markets. So let's see what we get. But waiting for the opening bell of NAS and US 30. These have been my babies, okay, when it comes down to the session. NAS already cleared out a 4-hour FEG. I'm not willing to take that play until we can break my 21 moving average and then look to go higher. As far as liquidity, we already cleared the weekly as well. So that would be my play if we can break the 21 and also US 30 too. If we can get some movement to the upside. US 30 still has a little bit of liquidity down to the downside. Also the 4-hour FEG. So I would think US 30 needs to sell a little bit more in order for me to get into something like this. All right, it's 8:30, so opening bell. All right, we're seeing Nas trying to make that play. Yeah, Nas already cleared a 4-hour FEG. There's a 15-minute for value gap up here. So I want to see how that's going to react, but definitely want to see this thing push a little higher. Not going to take any trades unless we hold above that 12 moving average. So we're going to wait and see what it wants to do. We're going to take about one trade today. Yeah, definitely like this US 30 play for sure. Coming into this daily FEG would be really, really nice if it can actually do that. Go over to the 15-minute. Like, we're just so close to it. I just, like, might as well, you know. Might as well just take it out. As you can see, it's dropping right now. So is NAS. Oh, what the hell? Oh, that was a weekly FEG. Sorry. Weekly, right about here. Make this a purple line. Right. So this is where we already grab liquidity from the daily and the 4-hour we marked out. Right. So we could start seeing that expansion move. Not going to get in too early unless we get it. NAS is kind of doing its thing too. Really focused on US 30 right now, though. It's still dropping, trying to grab liquidity. Coming into this weekly, already hit the 50% of that daily. I'm going to get into this, guys. I'm going to get into this. This looks pretty nice. Dropping some more, dropping some more. Coming into this weekly FEG. I'm going to get into this. We're going to get into this. Going to get into this pretty heavily. Three positions here. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Grab so much liquidity down there. Now we want to see the expansion to the higher side now. Already up 110. Looking for about $200 here. But that was a beautiful, beautiful liquidity grab. And look at this. Now we're just checking it up higher. Oh, what a beautiful trade. Price is just surging up higher. Now, once we break my 21 moving average, I feel very comfortable just holding this trade. Very comfortable holding it. Up $200, I saw. Yeah. Oh, what a trade. What a trade. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Still gonna hold this. And I'll be right back, guys. Give me a second. I gotta let my dog out. Okay, guys, sorry about that. We are back. See how the trade is doing. Wow, so we rejected the 21 moving average. I'm gonna go ahead and close these positions. Looks like we're coming back into that level, which is fine. We're up about $200. I believe we're coming back into this level. Want to see what we're gonna do here, and then just add in the same positions we did last time. Go about 75 here into buys once more. But rejected the 21 moving average. All right, she's still melting. Came into this daily FEG, so confident in this trade, but gotta see what she's gonna want to do. I'm already at max margin already on this trade, so can't add any more positions to this. Want to see what she's going to want to do. We already hit liquidity, so I do want to see an expansion higher. So this definitely is going to hold this trade. We want to see what the next candle is going to want to do. Currently down about $100, 120. Looks like we're going to go deeper into this, maybe, which is fine. And my dog wants to come back inside. I will be right back again, guys. Sorry. Okay, guys, we are back again. Let's take a look at how the trade's doing. If I can get back there. Okay, so looks like we're making some kind of movement to the upside. Still down about $60. While that's happening, I'm gonna post my videos. But I do like we grab the daily FVG. As long as we can get above the 20 moving average, we're up about $200 on this trade, and that's perfectly fine. We are working with about $400 in drawdown, so I'm gonna look. If it gets to $200, I will say like 250. We'll close. We'll close. Until then, I'm just gonna hold this. And the first trade we took, I think. Let's see how we did on that one. If I can move this up higher. Was this today? US. Or no. 1350. Basically almost a break even trade right there. Wasn't any profit, any good profits. Now we're seeing the expansion move to the upside. Let's see. Yeah, for this trade, I'm looking for about, and that's if the trade plays out, obviously. Looking for about a $200 move on this. TP 200, which is about the 21 moving average. And then if we could, $400 would be almost at that level up there. And then we'll say stop loss to be like less than like $400. Stop loss at 400, right? So we're looking at about, let's go to 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame. So yeah, if price gets to about 42,598, which is I'll show you guys real quick. 42,598, which is basically deep into that weekly FEG, then I'm just not interested in it. I'm just done. I would not be interested in that whatsoever. But if we can get to go right here, yeah, if we can get above the 21 and the 50, I would definitely be interested in this play. Get to about $200 in profit above the 21 moving average, and then we can move stop loss to break even. Up $18 so far. Not looking too bad. Now it looks like she wants to push a little bit. Great. Let's take a look at the other pairs. Looks like we're in a standstill between all the pairs, which is fine. Being a content creator is very, very hard sometimes, guys. I have to be honest. Very, very hard. Look at the expansion. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, our only thing now is that we need to break through the 21 and break through the 50, and then smooth sailing to the upside. We get smooth sailing, we can break those. This is where you just trust your trade, guys. You just trust it. I mean, stop loss or TP. That's basically what I'm looking at. It can bounce in profit, bounce out of profit. To me, it doesn't really bother me too much. What a wick, though. Kind of jumping in and out of profits, but still gonna hold this. I think sellers have left the market, in my opinion, and buyers are in now. But you never know. Up 40 or $33 so far. 81.77. Beautiful expansion move. Now the only problem is going to be this 21 moving average. If we can break that, we're in smooth sailing. If we can break that, guys, we're looking pretty good in this trade. Just posting my content, so that's why I'm not too just I'm able to look at the charts and post the content. But once again, I hope everyone's trading's doing well this week. Mine's been it's been all right. It's not been bad. It's not been the best, but it's not been bad. I say that. So the main obstacle right now is to break this 20 moving average. We break that, we're good. We don't break that, it's going to be a struggle to get it higher. Okay. Uh, mm, mm, mm. So yeah, the 21 moving average is just giving us hell right now. We have to break that. If we don't break that, we can't get any higher. And then we have another rejection from the 21 moving average. We just can't seem to break this thing, dude. Once we do, though, this is a great trade. It's kind of acting as resistance right now. To me, this trade it just makes sense. We grab liquidity, right? Sorry, guys, I went for a 2 mile run. Yeah, so we grab liquidity, right? We grab that day for value gap, and we just rejected the weekly. We grab liquidity now. Now I just want to see the expansion up to the upside, right? If we can get to like maybe what previous session high, right? That'd be an insane trade. That'd be a beautiful trade. But now our biggest opponent is going to be this 21 moving average. And like, guys, look at this. I can't make like the rejection every single time we get there is just insane. I'll be right back, guys. Once again, I'm gonna make me a little protein shake. I'm getting a little hungry. We'll see how this trade. I mean, we're gonna stay in it until it hits TP. Looking about a $400 trade on this trade, so we're just gonna wait on it. Okay, simple as that. All right, guys, we're back again. Had to down that protein shake real quick. We finally broke the 21 moving average, so it's looking pretty decent. Now, only thing we need to break now is this 50. We break that 50, and we're there. We're basically there, guys. We just gotta break this, and the trade basically valid. Excuse me. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Smooth sailing, guys. Smooth sailing now. Now, get ready to close pretty soon on this trade. Either TP or we're just going to close it, guys, manually. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful push out of that 50 moving average. All right, so we're going to move our stops. I really would like this hit TP. That'd be beautiful. It'd be a $400 trade on the live. Can it be done in one candle? Maybe, possibly. Come on, come on. A little bit more, a little bit more. Push a little bit more. I don't think it'll be done in one candle, but it can definitely be done in the next couple candles here. There we go. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Come on. There's more in this chain. Come on. I think the buyers have definitely stepped into the market. Come on. We're so close to TP. So close. This will be my only trade for the day, guys. It'll bring the account back to positive equity, which I love. Come on. US 30. US 30 trade. Come on. Show me $400. Come on. We're so close. We're so close. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Let's get there. Let's get there. Come on. Come on. We're right there. Right there. Let's get it. Come on. Right there. Right there. Right there. Come on. You're right there. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna close it. We're gonna close it, guys. I'm not gonna be greedy for a couple dollars. Uh, might have got it. Maybe. Yeah. Probably would have got it right there. But that's. I mean, either way. Yeah, we had definitely got it. Definitely got it right there for sure. $370. Not bad, right? And what was the whole idea of this trade? So not only did we hit a tapped into a weekly fair value gap, we tapped into a daily fair value gap. We got the respect, 50% of it, right? And we got the expansion move higher. Okay. Now we are coming into a 4-hour fair value gap, which is right here. Mark this as yellow, which is about right there, right? Beautiful trade, the first trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. You can't really ask for a better trade than that. See how Nas is doing as well. Nas is kind of being stagnant today. So is gold. Got to keep my eyes on US 30 so far. Beautiful trade though. Beautiful first trade. I was gonna get off, but now that I know we're hopping into a 4-hour FVG, kind of interesting now. The biggest thing for me is we just hopped into a daily. Just to think that we're gonna want to sell back down after hitting that daily is kind of sketchy. Um, so kind of just gonna hold my horses on this trade right here. But beautiful first trade, great execution. Um, basically break even for the first, and then the second trade absolutely just smashed it. Yeah, I would like this to come a little bit more into this for our FVG for me to take this. But if it breaks a 21 moving average, I'm not interested in it whatsoever. Because then it's just going to push back into yesterday's price action. Yeah, looks like we're selling back down. US 30 and NAS, their New York session have been the plays recently. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Now, what is she gonna want to do now, right? We just tapped into a 4-hour FEG. Could possibly sell. I'll take sells if we can break the 50 or the 20 moving average to the downside. Put a little bit more risk into that if we can get that. We just respected the 200 moving average, so if we can break the 50, then I'll be interested in something. But never now, then oh wow, break the 50, break the 21, then I'll look for something like this. I'll just make a pending order here. Market pending, yeah. We break the 21. I'll look for this. TP would be something like back down to this or pending here. Then we got TP, something like that, and then stop loss would be something like that. If we can get something like that, yeah, it'd be like a sell limit. It'd be a break to the downside or a break to the upside again. Go ahead and place that. If it doesn't and it just runs, then we'll call it a day for today, guys. Second trade of the day. First share really count. Was kind of break even. Just have one more video to post. Let me go ahead and do that real quick, guys.
How many people on this planet are willing to never hold yourself back? Strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. Thank yourself later. Never hold yourself back. Self back.
Today's trading so far has been pretty good. Took quality setups. Now I want to see if it's rejected. It's rejected the 200 moving average twice now. One, if you didn't count this one, one or one, two, and this is the third time. And now we're seeing the sell start to step in. I do have a sell trade here. If we can break the 50 and 21, I think we'll go back down here and retap these lows. But it needs to break those. If it doesn't break those, I'm definitely not interested. And risk for this, about $163, $163 for me personally. I don't want this count back into drawdown at all. We got it back to positive equity, which is great. Um, so yeah, I'm not willing to make it go back in negatives.
Hold yourself. Never hold yourself. Never hold yourself.
I haven't even checked if you guys are even saying anything in the live. Let me actually go back. Still going to be tagged into this trade if we even get tagged in. I'm gonna give it to about 9:30. If it don't, then what's called it, guys?
Hold yourself. Never hold yourself. Never hold yourself back. Never hold yourself back. Back. Strive to be better. Hold yourself back.
Okay, we're getting huge sells now. Now, if you get tapped in, now it's all about managing risk. Now it's all about managing risk, guys. All right, I had one smashing trade. Let's see if we can get another. That candle itself just made up that whole entire move up there. It broke the 50, closed below the 50. So now it's just going to be the closure above thing. Honestly, I'm going to get rid of my pending order because what I don't want to see is it break or like tap the 21 and then try to sell. I would not like that whatsoever. So let's do another one, right? Let's do it like about right there. TP, once again, yeah, like down that level and stop loss somewhere. Yeah, stop loss like once it breaks, I'm looking like okay, T stop loss should be about right there, right? We'll do that one right there. So yeah, like I said, if we can actually break below, I'm very interested in sales. But what I did want to see is like it tap, because like that was my orders right there. Tap it and then push higher. I want to see a complete break to the sales. Would be very very interesting to me. But now we broke the 50. I'm looking to take sales.
Where did you learn how to do this? Chemistry. I was in chemistry. Yeah, we didn't take the same chemistry. That ass perfect, baby. I love the way you get it over the turkey, baby. You know you doing that shit on purpose, baby. That pussy wetter than some water, let me serve it, baby. He don't like me, but it is up. Your heart rate was recorded at almost 300 BPM. That's very fast. Wow. That's a unit. This is your sign.
All right, guys, we might get tapped into this. Okay, we just did. We just did. Now we just managed to trade. Yeah, anything above my 20 moving average, that I think that I'm gonna call it right there, actually. But we're looking for a nice trade down, back down to the downside. Yeah, if it closes above my 21, I'm done for the day, guys. We're just gonna call it there. It's all up to this one candle right here. This candle has 11 seconds actually, so very interesting to see what we're gonna do here. Okay, next candle just came out. Always have your finger on the trigger, ready to execute. Be right back, guys. 1 second. All right, back guys. Let's take a look and see what we're doing here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, looking for a nice surge to the downside. We respected the 21 moving average at least. Um, yeah, I definitely want to see it dump a little bit more.
Hold yourself back.
Coming back into my entry. This candle has 2 minutes left in it. So we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see. What are we doing? All right, and it's going back against us. Like I said, this candle has a minute left. If it closes above my 21, I'm out. I'm just gonna be out this trade. If it stays below, we'll stay in it. That's really as simple as I can put it, guys. All right, so we didn't close above. Great. So we're gonna hold this trade then. Up about 40. Uh, yeah, I mean, I'll still hold this, guys. And I was up, and now I'm down. Okay. Yeah. Stop loss is gonna be. Or wait, what the fuck? No, cancel. How do I cancel this? Get out of there. Yeah, anything above my 20 moving average, I'm just done with it.
I get asked, oh, Dad, you try to spaghetti sauce. It's kind of dusty.
Which actually works out for me, right? Because the more, like, as price is moving, the moving averages are moving. So if price continues to go up higher and we, like I said, close above, then it works out for me. Saves me a little bit of room for error, and like I said, I can just get out empty free. It is surging now. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. That was very interesting. Yeah, if it, let it close up there. I'm out. I'm out for sure if it does that. I respected the 20 moving average is good, but yeah, let it surge like that again. And like close above. Let it close above, and then yeah, we got 2 minutes left. I'll hold it for these 2 minutes, but if it closes above like that, I'm done. I'm out. Like I said, I'm not letting this account get to negatives, guys. So I'm willing to lose so much, and then I'm just like, okay, I'm out. What the actual hell? I might just get stopped out actually. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. We're just gonna close that, guys. Like, no, there's no way. Yeah, we're gonna be done for the day, guys. That was a powerful move. Just really surged up higher, which is fine. We're back at break even on this account. We took some pretty good trades. If I can show you guys real quick. Yeah, we'd have been stopped out regardless. We got this is basically break even. We had a 370, basically 139. So profit about 230, if I'm not right. Yeah, 230, something like that. So hey, we'll take 230 every single day. It's about 2% on the account. And we're gonna leave it at that. And look how it is just surging. It is just going, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it at that. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. It's your boy Aries, and I'll catch you guys next time.